unqobe yonke imizamo yamaWachutoo ngaphandle kwalomunye.
Chief says you have passed all tests but one. Only left is Wachooto Circle of Death.
Funny! That's my specialty. This is it. I have to beat him. Alrighty then. I must tell you, I do not wish to fight you. Violence is no longer in my nature, but if you want it, you got it, sister! Fighting, I see. I was unaware that the Wachootoos were biters! Well, why don't you try this on and see how it fits?
Ace! He's much better fighter than you.
All right! This white devil thing has gone far enough. Nobody messes with the dude!
He said, sorry, white devil, but he must kill you now.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose. Throw it! I dare ya! Oh, no! Don't just stand there! Throw me a spear! It's in the bone! It's in the bone! It's in the bone!
Chief says you make him laugh. You are like sissy girl.
Kulungile mtshele ukuthi manje sekayisihlobo samaWachutoo.
Wachooto chief say you friend to Wachooto.
Kodwa uma ingalethi namuhla igagasi ngempela sizowabulala wonke amawachati.
But if Curse of Shikaka not lifted by tomorrow's sun at top of sky, Wachooto kill all Wachati and smash your head on a rock.
Super! Take care now. Bye-bye then.
Okay, take care. Super. Bye-bye then. Are your legs sore? Do you want me to carry you?
That won't be necessary, my friend. I have an incredibly high threshold for pain. Holy monkey!